In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Stan Store account. Before we begin, make sure you're completely sure about this decision. Deleting your account is meant to be permanent, and once the process starts, you'll lose access to your dashboard, your customer data, and any products or links you've set up. If there's anything you want to save, like customer emails, sales reports, or page designs, download or copy those first so you don't lose them. All right. Let's get started. First, log into your Stan Store account using your usual login details. Once you're inside your dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. There, you should see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that to open your account settings page. Inside Settings, you'll see several tabs or sections across the top of the page. These might control things like your profile, billing, or integrations. For this process, you want to focus on security-related options. Click on the tab labeled Security to open your security settings. On the security page, you'll see a few different features. Typically, this includes an option to turn on two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, which helps secure your account. You may also see a list of your login sessions showing the devices you've used, their locations, IP addresses, and login times. These sections are there to help you manage access to your account and keep it safe. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the security page. There, you'll find a button labeled Delete My Account. This is the option you need to start the deletion process. Click on that button. Once you click it, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up will confirm that you're about to permanently delete your Stan Store account. It will also explain that deletion can take up to 7 days, and during that time, you won't have access to your account at all. The message will usually mention that if you change your mind during this period, you can contact their support team using the email address they provide. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, look for the text field in that pop-up. You'll be asked to type the word delete in all capital letters to confirm. Carefully type delete in the box, then click the button that says permanently delete my account. After that, your deletion request is submitted, and your Stan Store account will be scheduled for removal.